guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and in celebration of National Scrapbook Day, I'm back on to do another layout. And this layout is for a mother-daughter trip that my daughter and I took to Washington, D.C. to the National Zoo to see the giant pandas. And what I have here is some bamboo that I've cut, two that's just alike, and this bamboo comes from the Pagoda cartridge, and it's cut at 4.57 inches wide by 8.80 inches high. I'm calling this Leafy Bamboo, and because it looks like the leaf parts of it, or I thought it did in real life. And it also comes from the Pagoda cartridge, and it is cut at 7.82 inches wide by 11.5 inches high. And I am going to lay these all down first. I'm gonna, because it's small and it makes it difficult with my ATG gun, I'm just going to pop down a little bit of wet glue. And that is my Ranger Multi-Medium Matte. And this layout came together really quick, simple, easy to cut as well. And it was fun. So what are you guys doing for National Scrapbooking Day today? I'm scrapbooking all day. I even have another layout that I'm getting ready to cut out after I finish filming this one. And it's going to be first for me on my channel is that this is actually my third video that I have uploaded today. In celebration of National Scrapbook Day. That's what I'm trying to say. And then I may even do a fourth one. So we'll see how it goes and what happens between now and then with me cutting out. So that I'm having a blast with these. I'm going to lay this bamboo right here. And then my next layer of bamboo. Okay, and I'm going to lay it right here. I'm just lining everything up with my yellow piece. I guess I forgot to tell you that. I have craft cardstock in the back that is 12 by 12, and then this pretty pale yellow piece on top that is 11.5 by 11.5. And then my next thing I want to lay down is a 4x6 photo mat that I made. I did a bright green that is 6.5 by 4.5, and then the like vanilla color that is 6.25 by 4.25. So it will hold a 4x6 photo mat. And now I'm going to get it taped down here, laid down. And I'm going to put it right about here. Put glue to stick. And then my next image is this super cute little fat panda, standing panda. And he also comes from the Pagoda cartridge. He is cut at 6.66 by 5.22. And the pandas were so cute to see, and there was a baby while we were there. So that one's going to go there. And then I have this cute little setting panda, and he comes from the Pagoda cartridge as well. He's cut at 4.55 by 4.06. I love giant pandas, and we were so lucky to get to go do this. I'm going to put him right here. Now, I've got my title broken across 2 pages, and what I've done is it says love, and you can see a little, the heart of love looks like the earth, or the map, or whatever it's called. I've got it popped up on some foam tape, and then I also heat embossed it with black. I don't know if you can see the shine because I was trying to get it to stand out a little better, and that's what I did, but I went over it twice with heat embossing and then popped it up on foam tape. And I'm going to put it right there. It doesn't show up so well on camera, but it shows up pretty well in real life, that you can see that it says love. And my love and the other part of my title, they were together, comes from the Cricut cartridge Earth Day, and I broke them apart, and the love is cut at 6.23 inches wide by 4.19 inches high, and again it comes from the Cricut cartridge Earth Day. Now I gotta find my scissors so I can cut off the overhangs of the little bit of bamboo that there is. Not much, but a little. So there we go. So that finishes the left side of this layout. Now let's bring in the right side and go from there. Again, the craft cardstock, 12 by 12. The pale yellow is 11.5 by 11.5. And I have the exact same bamboo pieces that I'm going to lay down on this side as well. And they're cut at the exact same dimensions. I just cut 4 of this type of bamboo and 2 of the leafy, what I'm calling the leafy bamboo. So, and again, I'm just going to use a little bit of wet glue to get this all down. Thought about doing this through my creative sticker maker, but I'm almost out and my tape is on back order, so I didn't want to waste it all when I could just use a little bit of wet glue for this. So that's what I've done. And again, I'm just lining the bottom. I'm putting it in the middle, as close to the middle as I can, and lining it up at the bottom of my yellow piece. Now I'm going to put the other 2 bamboos down the exact same way. just going to line it up to the bottom of my yellow piece and press it down. And then we'll do the other one. I'm out of glue. I use it a lot. I run out quickly. Let's see, I got another one going though. I keep a bottle of this at all of my working stations. Okay. There we go there. And I'm going to need that again in a minute. And then I have another 4x6 photo mat done the exact same way, or holds a 4x6 photo. And I'm going to put it toward the center and off to the right a little bit. I'll put it right there. And then my next thing I'm going to lay down is the rest of my title that says Our Planet. So it says Love Our Planet. I've cut it out in a different color of green, and I'm going to lay it right there. But you know what? I'm going to see if I can snip that piece of bamboo off and move it over to the other side. Just move it down a little bit. And I can do that. That way my title's not competing with it. And I've already got my title lined up the way I wanted it to on my glad press and seal. And that right there is where I'm going to put it down, is right there. So I'm going to flip this over and add a little bit of wet glue to that. Can't find my paintbrush right now, or I would have used that. It would have been easier. I just had to use my finger. So we're going to, I'm going to line this back up again there and press that into place. And I'll pull it off. So there it is. No need to fuss with it. No need to fuss with lining up letters when you can do it that way. And then I have two setting pandas eating bamboo. They're the exact same image. I just flipped one of them. These pandas come from the Cricut cartridge, Children Around the World, and they're cut at 3.79 by 5.57. And I'm actually going to use some Wink of Stella on their bamboo that they're holding to eat. And we'll do this one too. I really like this layout. I love the way it came together. So there we go. And let me put some adhesive on these because they're going to lay down flat as well. I'm going to set him right there, and then I'm going to put the other one on the other side. Okay, put him right here. Perfect, cute, simple, and easy layout. So I hope you guys like this one. We'll talk again real soon. Cheers.